Prototyping new hardware should be exciting, not exhausting, but endless wiring, coding from scratch and building custom boards can slow you down way down. Meet Rimu by DENGTEC, the modular development platform that lets you go from concept to working prototype in record time. At the core is the Brain module, powered by Espressif's ESP32-S3 R16V microcontroller, featuring dual Tensilica Extensor LX7 cores, up to 240 MHz, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a massive 32 MB NOR flash. You can choose up to 8 GB of NAND storage if your project demands it. It even supports Nokia BL-5C batteries for portable projects. The real magic, Rimu's magnetic hands. Each hand is a specialized module, whether you need a stepper motor, addressable LEDs, current monitoring, LoRa radio, or a simple breakout board for custom electronics. Stack them as you like. They're designed with a consistent form factor and sturdy aluminum enclosures. No more reinventing the wheel for every project. Rimu's hardware and software work seamlessly together, unlocking the full potential of each module instantly. Rimu is now on Kickstarter, starting at just $89 for the 4 GB Brain module and $29 for each hand add-on. Shipping begins November 2025. Turn your idea into reality faster than ever before. Rimu, the smarter way to prototype.